Hey guys, MemphisMike here. I wanted to share a product with you that I've been using here lately since about September. It's now December, so 3 or 4 months that I've used this product, and someone put me onto this because they detailed my bike with it. I'm always skeptical of these claim to fame super hydrophobic cleaners and everything, the latest and greatest. But I've been using this product, F11 Topcoat, and I'm here to tell you I am very pleased with the results that I've been getting. Some people say, man, if I got time to clean, I got time to ride. Well, you know what? If I got time to ride, I got time to clean. But I don't want to spend all day cleaning. This has sped up my process for cleaning the bike and enriching the paint on my motorcycle and just giving a deeper polish to my bike. I don't like having to apply multiple waxes and spend my time waxing and buffing and all that. I like to spray it on and wipe it off and get on the road and start riding. But F11 Topcoat has been doing a fantastic job for me and for all my motorcycles, plus my vehicles as well. But I'm just gonna show you how easy it is and how I use it on my motorcycle today. So thanks for watching, and let's get started. All right, so let me just show you how easy this stuff is. You just simply spray it on just like that. I'm gonna take up my favorite microfiber towel, wipe it down, clean it down like such. Really and truly, it's that easy. I am not a fan of hand waxing and all that. Kind of flip the towel over to a dry side right there. I just really feel like this product really enriches the paint, and it also seems to make the paint much easier the next time when I get ready to clean the bike as well. And it's got a little pop to it there. All right, let's do the back side here. A little bit going on. And I just spray it on. You spray it all over the chrome, everything, it doesn't matter. Spray it on. Take my favorite microfiber here, wipe it down. It's one thing I like about it is quick, it's easy. Also, it makes this rubber look really nice as well. I just wipe down the chrome. Gives a nice pop. Gives a nice shine to the bike. I've noticed the water repels off extremely easy after applying. Gotten to the point where I just use this such easy for quick cleaning and utilizing and giving me a nice shine to the whole bike. Oh yeah. It's that easy, man. Just wipe it down. It's one thing that me and a couple of my buddies have just kind of decided. We're not sure how it works or what it does, but it just seems to really enrich the paint and give a nice depth to the paint. And I really like it on, like I say, on the some of the rubber stuff. Some people like Armor All and all that, but man, you can see it just kind of brings out a nice shine on the rubber as well for protecting. I pretty much use it on the entire bike. Now, let me show you here on the seat what I'm going to do. Like I say again, on the seat, a lot of you might use, Armor All or a leather conditioner or something, but I just spray it on the entire seat right there. Use that. Somebody says, does it make it really slick where you slide off? No, it doesn't. That's what I like about it. Doesn't make it all slippery. It gives a nice sheen, but not not too much of a fake shine to it. I don't like that real fake shine that some other products give you. So it does a great job, man. You can tell it just kind of does a good job bringing out the shine on the seat right here as well. Even these areas, I still got a little bit left here on my rag. You can tell, just wiping it down right there. And I flip it over and on the dry side as well. Looks really nice. But I've always been skeptical. I tell you, I really have. I have always kind of been skeptical of these products. And F11 is, I will be the first to admit, it is not cheap. I'll include a link to the store online and you can see for yourself. They do run a lot of promo and promotions though. So you can check it out and catch it when it's on sale. Yep, it's that easy. I just spray it on. Pretty liberal with it. Pretty liberal with it. Because you really just have to spritz it. So you're good. You don't have to go crazy with it. Don't have to go crazy with it. I mean, really and truly, I can do my bike with this stuff probably in about 15 minutes. Probably about 15 minutes. Yep. I like it to be quick. I like it to be quick. I like it to be fast and easy. That way, I got more time to ride. I got quite a bit of this left on my rag, so I don't have to reapply on there. Could take a dry rag, do as well. Take this dry rag here, kind of buff it out. You know, let's see what the water test does. Put a little water on it. Just runs right off. Runs right off. Oh yeah. There he goes. Yep. Just repels right off. That stuff is slick too. Slick. There we go. I use it on my floorboards as well. Got this rubber coating, or you know, the rubber part on top. You can see, brings it up. Kind of rich that it looks. It's all black. Very nice. Very nice. It's not all slippery either. Not all slippery. Just gives a nice and rich color there. Very nice. Makes it look black, not all shiny either. Easy on, man. Super smooth. Super smooth. makes that black pop. Makes that black pop right there. Very nice. And here's one thing I like about it, for especially on this motorcycle, my dash area and all that. Man, I just pretty much spray it on the whole thing right there and just wipe it down. And man, it just brings out the color, makes that black look nice. The display as well. The thing I notice each time in between cleaning is it's just easy to clean. Everything's easy to wipe down. So each time becomes easier and easier. And again, I was as skeptical as anybody was regarding this stuff, because it's not cheap. It's not cheap. You'll have to look it up. Look up the price on it and you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll see what I'm talking about. So that black just looks really nice. It's coming out good. Yep. Coming out nice. Get this other side. I'll just kind of using on all this vinyl. This really brings it out. And again, without making it that shiny fake gloss and slippery feel like other products. It just gives a nice enrichment to the paint and everything. Well, let's do the front of the bike. Use it on the glass, on the lenses, everything right there. I'm not afraid. Actually, it can be used in your household, whatever. Anywhere you want to use it. And again, I was skeptical until a buddy of mine cleaned my bike with it. I came out and looked at it. I thought, holy heck, looks like a brand new motorcycle. And if many of you know me and follow me on Facebook, you know I like a clean motorcycle. Make no mistake though, I do like to ride. I'll take this dryer towel here. Yep. Looking pretty sweet. Looking pretty sweet. Smooth too, boy. Hoo-hoo. Smooth. The water just repels off of it. Like I say, it'll make it easier to clean the next time you get ready to clean. A couple of coats of this stuff and you will be looking fantastic when you clean the next time. I love the way it makes the dash look. I love the way it, seems to condition the vinyl. Everything. It's fantastic. Even the wheels as well. I don't mean the actual tire, but the rims. Just spray it on. It's one thing I've noticed, it helps repel the brake dust as well, which makes the cleaning afterwards even much easier. Gives it a nice shine. Gives a little pop to it. Oh yeah. Smooth. Use my dry rag here. Oh yeah. That bike is looking good. I ain't gonna lie. It's looking good. Nice. Let's get to this other side here. Polish these wheels out a little bit. Man, you just tell when you wipe it on these rims, the smoothness. It brings it out. Like I said, it makes that brake dust really wipe off easy for the next cleaning. Sure does. Sure does. And I use it on the chrome. It don't matter. Seems to be pretty safe for all elements. Gives a nice luster. I can do my bike with this stuff, shoot, probably 15 minutes. It's so quick and easy. Then I'm on the road riding, guys. And that's what I like, is to ride. Looking good. It's looking good. Oh yeah. He's kicking out. So I'm going to highly suggest F11 top coat to you. It is pricey, and I've used a ton of cleaners, a ton. Always looking for a great cleaner, but I'm always looking for something better and quicker and easier. So F11 top coat is going to be my suggestion. I think it does a fantastic job on the bike. Man, let's get that chrome looking good. Chrome don't get you home, but it sure does look good. I ain't gonna lie. Sure does look good. Oh yeah. Man, it just makes the surface so smooth and easy. There you go. Very nice. So I know everyone has their own favorite cleaner that they like to use for their motorcycle or their car, but I'm going to tell you, I've been pleased with Topcoat F11. Yep, it costs you a few pennies, more so than your average $10 bottle off the shelf. I think it delivers superior results. So don't take my word for it. You try it, you check it out. Catch them when they're running a promotion, get a little bit cheaper. And I appreciate you watching this video. And try it for yourself. See what you think and let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. This is Memphis Mike, and I will see you later. Thank you.